Hey, this is Jim students. Welcome to homework 3.10, taxes and discounts. You watch the video, you go ahead, check off. It's a practice homework, and it's due tomorrow. Calculators are okay. Let me go ahead and zoom in here so that we can clearly see what we're doing. So for problem number 1, it says the original price of a motorcycle is $4,000. It's got a discount of 40%. Discount's important because it tells us to subtract from 100. So 100 minus 40 means we're paying for 60% of this price. So $4,000 times 0.60 gives me $2,400. Pretty good deal for the motorcycle. C is your answer. Let's go down to number 3. It says the original price of a kitten is $84.50. We have a tax of 5%. So tax, we don't subtract, we add to 100. So that means we got $84.50, and we are multiplying by 1.05, right? 105, which was the percentage of the price. Change that to a decimal, and that means that we pay $88.73, right, for the kitten. It's really $725. Sorry, let me put that on there. $725. But it rounds to $88.73, right? Now, number 5, it says we've got a price of a tie. We have a discount of 26%, and then we have a tax of 3%. So the discount's obviously going to be 100 minus 26, which is 74% of the price. So it's $19.99 times 0.74. When you do that multiplication, you get 14.7926, right? So you want to use this exact number here. And then you want to go ahead and say, okay, now on that, we go ahead and tax 3%. So I pay for 103% of this number right here. So 1.03. So times 1.03 gives me 1523. 6378, yada 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 yada, right? But basically we can stop right there, and it rounds up to $15.24. As we discovered in the other class, you could do the tax first, then do discount, but most stores they'll apply a discount first, and then they'll do a tax on top of that. Right? Number 7, we got an SUV. It's got a 43% discount and then a 4% tax on it. So first, we're going to go ahead and find 57% of the price, so 58,000 times 0.57. And that is $33,060. And then we're going to add a 4% tax on that, so 100 plus 4, or meaning we'll pay 104% of this price, so 1.04. So it gives it $34,382.40, right? So A for that answer. If I were you, I'd pause right now and try and do all the even problems because they're very similar to the odd problems. Number 9. Again, we've got a discount of 50%. Sorry, that should be in yellow. And then we've got a tax of 5%, right? So $99.99 times 0.50. gives us an exact answer of 49.995, right? Why I did times 0.50? Because 100 minus 50 gave you 50, right? So then we do a tax of 5%, so 100 plus 5, which means we'll be paying 105% of this, so times 1.05. So multiplying by 1.05, you get 52.494, we'll call it, which means that rounds to $52.49. Right? So it says the cake store is having a 50% off sale on all of its cakes. If the cake you want regularly costs $14, how much would you save with the discount? So basically it's trying to say, how much is the discount? How much is the discount? Not how much do you end up paying, but how much is the discount? In this case, because it's 50%, we're actually going to end up saving the same amount we pay. So we've got a discount, that's 100. minus 50 means I pay for 50% of the cake. If it's regularly $14, 14 times 0.50 gives me 7. That means that's how much I pay for the cake, and then $14 minus 7 stays 7, and so that's how much I save on the discount. So $7 is how much you save. Number 13, it says Tiffany bought a new pair of socks at the store when they were having a 25% off sale. If the regular price was $26, then how much did Tiffany pay? Right, so how much did she pay is what we're looking for here, not how much did she save, right? So difference between problem 11 and 13. Here we just want the final price. So it was a discount, so that's 100 minus 25%, meaning we'll pay for 75% of the normal price, which was $26. So times 0.75. So 26 times 0.75 gives us $19.50. So that's how much you paid for the socks. You can put your answer on the answer line over there. All right. And lastly, 15, it says William buys a basket of lemons at $7 before tax. The sales tax is 16%. What's the total price he'll pay for the lemons? So again, we want the end price of this. So if tax is what we're working with, that's 100 plus 16, which means we'll pay for 116% of the normal price. It was $7 or 7.00 times 1.16. 7 times 1.16 gives us $8.12 for the socks. All right, that's it. Please make sure you show all the work like I did on the other problems. Call me if you have questions.